Hey everybody, it's Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades. My wipers need replacing because, as you can see here, they're kind of folded over and stiff. These do not work as well as they need to. This is why you need to check your wipers periodically, and if they start streaking, put new ones on. If they start tearing, you definitely need new ones. It's always a good idea to replace your wiper blades in pairs, because when one gets old, the other one's probably old too. If one's torn and the other isn't, it's probably going to tear soon if they're both the same age. There are two common mechanisms that hold the wipers on. The most common is a hook that just hooks into here. Most wiper blades come with this pre-installed, but a lot also come with this other type that you can swap out from this kind if that's what your vehicle takes. If you tilt the wiper arm up, move the blade, you can see this little tab right here. Just pull that tab and pull down and the blade comes out. Here you can see the hook. And then just put the new blade in there, push up till it locks, and there you go. There is a variation that uses a different latching mechanism. Instead of the latch on the back side, it's this cover right here. Usually helps to have a small screwdriver to pop that open, and then it slides right off. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.